Highest spike of 15,968 COVID-19 cases and 465 deaths reported in India in the last 24 hours. Positive cases in India increases to 4,56,183, including 1,83,022 active cases. 2,58,684 people have been cured and discharged. 14,476 deaths have also been reported across the country. People in Bengaluru continue to violate lockdown norms in containment zones. People found violating these rules and are jumping across barricades, even as authorities plead with them to stay inside their residences. SLC exams to be held in Karnataka tomorrow amid COVID-19 pandemic in the state. Preparations are underway at examination centers by Education Department and government officials. Parents worried for the lives of their children. Senior IAS officer B.M. Vijay Shankar commits suicide at his residence in Jayanagar. He was accused of taking a bribe in the IMA scam. Cops have registered a case of unnatural death and the matter is under investigation. Support Police along with 52 Rashtriya Rifles and Central Reserve Police Force launch cordon and search operations simultaneously in Potka Mukam and Chanpora Thora areas. Apprehend 4 Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorist associates. Hideout busted, arms and ammunition seized. Common man continues to bear the brunt as fuel prices have been hiked for the 18th consecutive day in India. The diesel prices was hiked by 48 paise per litre while there was no hike in petrol prices. For the first time, diesel price has surpassed the price of petrol in national capital. India's oil imports in May 2020 stood at 3.18 million barrels per day, showing a 26% year-on-year decline. Month-on-month, the imports in May 2020 slipped 31% as demand fell on the back of the nationwide lockdown. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals continued to slip on Wednesday. It has dropped nearly 4% as investors dumped the shares over numerous questions about the new drug Fabiflu and oral antiviral. Sensex opens at 35,570.17 with a gain of 139.74 points. Indices stay higher. Nifty trades around 10,500. Asian Paints ITC among top gainers. And the number of COVID-19 cases around the world have crossed a grim milestone of 9.2 million mark, recording 92,40,398 cases. 4,76,945 people have lost their lives due to the deadly pandemic. 46,13,969 people have recovered from the deadly virus. US continues to remain the worst affected COVID-19 country with 23,46,937 cases.